Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft and existing connection was forcibly closed by the remote host. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. You just need to right click on where internet connection. In my case I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. In here you just need to select this obtain an IP address automatically. After selecting this, the same thing for this option, obtain DNS server address automatically. After doing it, select OK option and just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall your program. In here you just need to find Java. Just right click on it and select uninstall. After uninstalling Java, just close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open up Chrome and search Java download and press enter. Select the first link. Scroll down, select the download Java option. After getting download done, you just need to install the Java. After the installation done, you can play the Minecraft without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.